Dear students of class 12, ACC Examinee 2020, I am Mahabubi Alam, Senior Lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College. I think you all are in good and safe condition. For the last 5 months, we are continuing our studies by using online video clip or using any other media. Our today's topic is hyperlink. You see here hyperlink. This is the most important topic for chapter 5, and after completing our today's class, we will learn what is hyperlink and the types of hyperlink, and also how can we use hyperlink in our web page or website. That means after completing our class, we will learn the basic things of hyperlink. At first, what is hyperlink? Hyperlink is the process by which we can connect one web page to another web page, or one website to another website, or any other document. This is called hyperlink. That means connecting process. Hyperlink is the connecting process or tools. There are mainly two types of hyperlink. Number one is internal hyperlink and number two is external hyperlink. I write here number one internal hyperlink and number two external hyperlink. What is internal hyperlink? If I connect a web page, such type of web page which is stored in my own computer or own server, this type of hyperlink is known as internal hyperlink. Suppose you are working a computer and you are creating a web page or website, you want to connect with another website which is also stored in your own computer. This type of hyperlink is known as internal hyperlink. And what is external hyperlink? If you want to connect with any website documents or other servers document, then this is called external hyperlink. For internal hyperlink, we need not any protocol, but for external hyperlink, we must use protocol, and the common protocol is HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is the common protocol. Without this protocol, we cannot use any external hyperlink. We cannot create any external link. At first, I will give you an example for internal hyperlink. Suppose this is a web page and its name is Milestone. This is a home page, Milestone, and there is two links. Number one is school, number two is college. If you click school, then it will go school section, and if you click college, then it will go college section. For this page, now I will write a HTML code. You see HTML. This is a heading. Milestone is a heading, so I use here H1 milestone and A. This is the main command, href. A means attribute, href means hyperlink reference, S means hyperlink, ref means reference. This is the main command for both internal and external hyperlink. And I give here address school.html. You see here href school.html. Suppose my web page is school and its name is school.html. I write the address here and I write here school. This is the link. This is the output. It shows any output. And BR is used for to go to next line. BR means line break or go to new line. Next line A, HREF, college dot HTML, college now close your body, HTML. Everybody write in your copy. If you write it, then you can understand it properly. This is very simple. I use here two link, a href and here also a href. This is the main command for hyperlink, and this is the address for link, and this is output. If you write here anything, this will show in your output. I think you can understand it properly. Now I will discuss about external hyperlink. What is external hyperlink? You know, this is others server or others computer. To connect with others computer, web page or website or any other document, you need protocol, and protocol name is HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Suppose our home page is this, its name also milestone. Go to Google. This is a link. Go to Dhaka board. That means Dhaka Education Board. This is a home page for milestone. But here you see two links. Number one is go to Google. That means if you click this, then you will go with Google website. If you click go to Dhaka board, then you will go Dhaka Education Board. So you can think that Google and Dhaka Education Board, it may not have in your computer. This is external hyperlink. It is not possible to store the all documents of Google's and Dhaka Education Board are in your computer. So this is absolutely external hyperlink. Now I will write here code HTML body. This is the main command. At first I write H1 milestone, A href http www google.com. Here you see a href and the address is http://www Dhaka Education board.open.bd. This is the name of our education board, and I will write here go to Dhaka board. Now body close, HTML close. This is the external hyperlink. If you write it in Notepad and then run by using any browser, Opera, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, any browser, you will get this output. And if you click here, you will go to Google, and if you click here, you will go to Dhaka Board's website. This is our external hyperlink. I think you can understand it properly. You will practice it in your computer and write it in your copy, and if there is any problem, you will ask to your subject teacher to understand it properly. Thank you everybody.